Hi, my name is Dave Spandorfer. I'm the co-founder of Janji, and we make running apparel that goes toward helping different countries around the world. As you can see here, we have some of the apparel. Each piece is inspired by a country's flag, and then the proceeds help that country with its unique food or water need. So, for instance, here is our Haiti women's shirt. It is made out of 96% polyester, 4% spandex, has all the moisture management qualities and performance fabric of a traditional running shirt. But the great thing about this is that when a runner buys this, what they're doing is that they're giving 8 packets of nutritional medicine to a child in Haiti. The goal behind that is that someone will race for a cause. It's, I think, 1.2 billion was raised for a charity just through American races last year, and our goal is to connect runners here with causes all around the world through the apparel that they buy. You can see here we have our men's Kenya long sleeve that just came out a few weeks ago. It's been one of our most popular items. We have our women's quarter zip that goes towards helping Tanzania and building water wells in Tanzania. We have our women's Haiti shorts, our Rwanda shorts for women, and then we have our women's Kenya shirt, and last but not least, we have our tights. We're based in Brookline, and we got started in May 2012. We're currently in over 100 running stores around the country, including Marathon Sports and Charles Running Company here in Boston. Our goal is to be able to give people an alternative when they're buying running apparel, not just Nike and Under Armour, but having a brand that represents their values, which is giving back 9% bigger, and also connecting them with a cause that's affecting over 1 billion people worldwide, and that's the food and water crisis. We want to make an impact both all around the world through funding solutions to food and water problems, and then also raising awareness for the problems that are going around in these countries, all while giving people great running apparel that fits well, looks good, and feels great. Thank you so much.
I'm completely sick of it, but anytime a Unity person gets in front of the Z-Space, it's hard to get them out of it. That takes many more shots. You're almost there. There you go. That teleported you. Cool.
But it's
yeah.
you know, you end up changing your perspective. It's almost to the point where, okay, I can lean in and look down at
Yes,
this.
that's exactly it.
Wow, that's weird. This is very
I'm Megan Hughes, co-founder of AngelN. AngelN is a non-profit helping students be as debt-free and employable as possible through crowdfunding new and existing scholarships, connecting them to mentors in the industries they care about, and hiring relationships in the industries they care about. We are doing something unprecedented here. We are combining mentorship and money. Our first class started in May. We have 100 students in our platform. 3 are completely debt-free. We have 65 mentors nationwide, and our goal is to be the largest source of data on higher ed ROI to enable students to be as debt-free rather than pursuing a $35,000 loan that most of them are taking out, and to actually know why they want to pursue higher education. We are doing that through our online crowdfunding platform and donation algorithm, and through online and offline workshops to ensure they have the skills they need to succeed in academia and once they got into the real world.
Hi, I'm from Adaptiva. We make the parallel. So Adaptiva, in essence, is a technology company that developed the technology and a chip that does parallel processing. So we have this tiny little device that has got 16 or 64 core CPUs on it, RISC processors. And we developed that over the last 4 years, and then just a year ago we started designing this board. And this is, it's a single board computer, credit card size. It's the most energy efficient computer on the world if you calculate power per watt, computing power per watt. So what the board has on it essentially is a host processor. In this case, it's an ARM processor, an FPGA which interfaces with our chip and our multi-core chip that allows you to do massive parallel processing of an application. But the idea is very simple. You're running an application that has a hugely computation-heavy requirement, whether it be image processing or financial calculations or neural networks, whatever they may be. There's thousands of applications that are extremely computation rich. So your processor can outsource essentially all those computational pieces to the cores on our processor.
In a nutshell, Crowd is a way for people to talk and communicate in any way they want with any group of people, regardless of how you define them. People with orange hair, people who live in Boston and don't like dogs, whatever it is. The website is a really simple concept. You come there and you write an email to these people instead of in the to field as you're used to writing an email address. Instead, just write in who you're targeting. Just write them in, and the idea is when people come to the website, they will see that you have written a message to people in Boston who don't like dogs. They might be interested to click on it. That's the concept of the website.
And we had 8 companies.